Hello, Assalamu alaikum, Pakistan. Welcome to Uncle's Talk Show. Uncle, we have been talking a lot about politics and attitude and the families. Can you tell me, and please, I have a question, that what do you think about the motivation for the Pakistani people? And
About life.
About life. Yes, Uncle.
Okay, dear Tahir. It's a pleasure to have you here. Always. I'll speak in English. Most of our people, young crowd, do speak English. But English is not sufficient to feel motivated. Life is such a fine journey and such a fine vehicle to transport you from one side to the other, or to reach your goals, starting from one end point to the other end point. But I don't see that motivation in any age group of Pakistani people. It's a real shame the way this country and the people of this country and the children and the teenagers and the young crowd which goes to the university and the working class and the professionals, including all of them, poor and rich, no real motivation about life. The reason is simple. You have lost the touch of life. You don't appreciate it. Let me give you a couple of examples. You wake up around 12 midday or 1 o'clock in the afternoon to start your day, and you start it without good breakfast because the time of the breakfast is gone. Then you don't jog, you don't go to the gym. You're a lousy, lazy individual. You don't take bath. You don't read books. You don't read Quran. You already lost Fajr, the best time to be with Allah. So what kind of motivation you are going to have when you are coming out of the bed with your lousy attitude for the rest of the day? What a shame, and a real shame. Then you go to a mobile store because you are the champion of selling mobile. Dabba, 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 that bullshit. Huh? Then you cheat on people, selling the copies of the cellular, cheap batteries. Then you work in a call center because you know a little bit about computer. And you believe you are the champion because the call center is going to save you from every heat, from all angles. That is not true, my friend. There are more than 10 lakhs of professions around the world. And what our national crowd, the young people, the worth of Pakistan, the people who can build Pakistan, who are the assets of this country, what they are doing? Working on a computer, sitting on his ass like an idiot, not getting the knowledge about or around what is available in your city, in your province, in your town, out of the country, in the other province. You're not interested. You want to eat, sleep, and shit like a dog. That's the life you want for yourself. Huh? And you are a university student. You're studying computer. Let's say MBA. Let's say science, chemistry, Urdu adab, English literature. And what is your thinking? Real low, because you don't have any goal. How to project yourself, how to project your country, how to project your family, and do something worthwhile. You just don't do it. So why do you want to be like this? Do you have any answer for this question? Huh? Like a lazy lizard. It's a real shame. I want to give you a couple of ideas how to motivate yourself. Wake up early. Do the first prayer. Go to God. That is the master you need for the top of the line motivation. Get along well with Allah, our God. Okay? Then walk or jog. Do the exercise. You get oxygen in your head. Then read Quran. Read any other book which left your spirit, but read it in the morning. Go to the gym. Build your body. Build your muscles. Build your guts. Then take shower. Then good breakfast with the fine nutrition. Fruit, milk, orange juice, couple of eggs, marmalade, bread, etc. and coffee, tea, whatever you want to call it. Change your clothes. Make yourself update. Don't walk all over the city with all this tela. It's okay, it's your national dress. But show some respect to other dresses as well. Be smart, look smart. Huh? Shalwar kameez is not the end of the world. Or you want to look ugly? Huh? I don't like it. No offense. Okay, you can use shalwar kameez, chudidar pajama, sherwani. Okay, I don't care. But to me, you don't look smart. Okay? Tie and suit is a good dress. World class. World class. You hear me? Okay, let's go on. Travel. Read books on personalities. Read books on technicalities. Read books on motivation. Play sport. Do sport. Play football as your first option. Cricket, okay. Hockey, okay. Basketball, okay. Badminton, okay. Tennis, okay. Golf, okay. Keep going. Fight. Do wrestling. Do something. You just don't do anything. Okay? You're almost dead. That's the way you want to build Pakistan. I don't think so. You're full of shit. Okay? Uncle Farooq is speaking. Check with me anytime. If that is the truth, you are. You're dishonest, topi, fraud, do numbering, all this bullshit is your motivation. It's a real shame. You want to live like that? Huh? And can tell to the people you're motivated. Motivated about what? For topi. For fraud. For rishwat. Al-Rashi wal-Murtashifin. It's a pastime in this country to take bribe. Do you have any shame? Khuda Hafiz, Pakistan, Pakistan Zindabad.